What a disaster. I've recently had my worst camera experience ever. Sadly, I've had my camera stolen and it's all completely my fault for being so relaxed with my equipment. And in this video, I'll tell exactly what's happened, how it happened, what I've lost and the steps I've taken since. I was out with my camera filming a video exactly as I am doing today, and someone had come and taken my bag with my camera in it. I'd come into Lincoln, into the Cornhill, and I was doing exactly what I'm doing with you now. I was doing this, walking towards camera, setting my tripod up, doing everything, just filming a bit of video. But the mistake I made was this. I cycled into the Cornhill in Lincoln on my bike, and I placed my bike exactly where it is now, there. And then what I did, as I placed my bike here, I put my camera and its bag here. I don't know why I did that. It was really odd. I'd never do that normally. And normally my camera is never more than an arm's length away. But for some strange reason, I placed my camera there and I walked over about 10 feet and started setting my tripod up. And then I went along and did a bit of videoing. Then I came back to get my camera because I've realised I'd left it here. It had gone. I didn't see anybody, I didn't see anything, but my camera was gone when I came back to it. But my only guess is that someone that saw me when I wasn't looking, came up this piece of paving, saw my bag, picked it up and walked away with it. And I had no idea, I had no clue it had happened. And I know I'm a massive fool for not having my camera with me at all times. And I know how crazy it is for my camera not to be right beside me, because normally I place my camera bag at the bottom of the tripod when I'm recording videos. So I've got no idea. I can't explain why I left my camera there. It's crazy. It's just loco. So as soon as I realised I've lost my bag with my camera in it, I got on my bike and raced round to see if I can find it, see if anybody's got it in their hand. But of course, I guess by the time someone's taken it, they'd have been long gone and I couldn't find it. So then obviously the next thing for me to do was call the police, which is what I did. I logged my incident with the police and they gave me a crime number and they said to me there really is not a lot they could do because there's no evidence. But they did suggest if there's any CCTV or any video footage, then they ought to get it and they'll have a look at it. There are council cameras about, and I called the council and asked if I could have a look at their CCTV footage. And they said I couldn't, it's not for the public. And I'm thinking, well, if it's not for the public, it's not for crime, what's it there for? And what I've lost is my camera, my Olympus CM1 Mark II, which is the camera I love. And I've done so many different videos with that camera. I've lost all three of my little f1.8 lenses. I've lost my ND filter, my bag. I also had a battery pack in there, all sorts of those little items, which is just devastating, really. I can't believe it. And I really can't believe I've been so stupid. I've lost all that camera equipment. I've contacted my insurance company and they've accepted my claim and they put me onto the insurance, their claims handler. And I've listed all the items I've lost. I've listed all the costs it were. And now I'm just waiting for them to come back to me to tell me what I should expect. So I either get a replacement items, obviously they don't make an EM1 Mark II anymore, or they'll give me a cash equivalent, or they'll give me a voucher to go and buy my own. But I don't know what's going to happen next. I'm not holding out any hope, but hopefully it's all right. I feel terrible, really. But why would somebody do that? And I felt really awful when it happened. And I felt awful, at least for the next couple of days. I'm all right now. I've calmed down. I've gone through the insurance process and everything. So hopefully it'll get resolved over the next week or two. But in the meantime, I'm kind of stuck without a camera. The lesson I've learned is to respect my equipment and never leave it out of my sight because you cannot trust anyone. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheerio.